Good day, everyone. Today, I invite you to take a quick journey across borders, not through planes or ships, but through understanding. In a world where a crisis in one country can ripple across continents, where a tweet can start a movement, and where climate change spares no one, global interconnection is not just a buzzword in our reality. In Africa, communities facing drought rely on international cooperation for food and water security. In Europe, the war in Ukraine has reminded the world that peace is fragile and that energy and political stability are deeply connected. In North America, technology giants drive innovation that reshapes economies worldwide, while in Asia, economic powerhouses like China and Japan influence trade, climate agreements, and regional security. Even in the Arctic, melting glaciers affect sea levels across the globe, including here in Southeast Asia, from students in Germany protesting for climate actions to farmers in India demanding fair prices. We see a world more connected than ever by economy, environment, and empathy. So, where does the Philippines fit in? We may be a small archipelago, but our voices matters. We are on the front lines of climate change, facing typhoons, rising sea levels, and natural disasters. Yet we are also a nation of resilience and innovation. Our overseas Filipino workers are global citizens, contributing to economies across the world, while bringing home diverse ideas, cultures, and experiences. We can lead a renewable energy in Southeast Asia, amplify calls for peace and human rights at the United Nations, and be a model for digital cooperation and youth activism. The Filipino people have heart, talent, and a global presence, and that gives us the power to influence, inspire, and innovate beyond our hopes and shores. Understanding global interconnection isn't just about knowing what's happening out there. It's about realizing that we are part of it. The Philippines has a unique role to play as a bridge between East and West, as a voice for the vulnerable, and as nation with the potential to shape a more just, sustainable, and interconnected world. Thank you, and we may continue to think globally and act meaningfully. Daghang salamat.